H-K-A-E-S-E-R.
HK Aeser.
We're trapping molds here.
Mold is the biggest problem in households.
So hi guys, we're gonna trap mold because we have a locked room. We need to make sure the mold will not come back. So what I do is to add vinegar mixed with water. Something like that. We add the vinegar. Hold on. Okay. Just mix it. Smells sour. So we put this.
Vinegar is the best cleaning product compared to others.
Until we see mold.
After 5 days of trapping molds, the formations looks cool, but hazardous.
Hazardous. Mold is a serious health hazard. In home environment.as, it produces allergens, irritants, and in some cases, potentially, toxic substances.
Mold can also trigger respiratory problems, such as asthma in vulnerable and allergic populations.
Health symptoms of prolonged mold exposure.
Chronic sinus problems, nosebleeds, hypersensitivity pneumonitis, mold-induced asthma, airborne fungus, skin infections,
neurological problems, Allergic bronchopulmonary aspergillosis fungus called Aspergillus fumigatus grows indoor plants and rotten vegetables. Some molds also produce mycotoxins that can pose serious health risks to humans and animals. Some studies claim that exposure to high levels of mycotoxins can lead to neurological problems. Mycotoxin is a toxisecondary metabolite produced by organisms of kingdom fungi and is capable of causing disease and death in both humans and other animals.
So here we go again, another experiment for the next few days or 5 days. So you have to put the vinegar to absorb the mold. Sour. Okay. And then we leave it in that room. The room is closed. There's lots of things. So we leave it there for the next 3 days, 4 days, 5 days. We'll see. So, hello guys. This is the update of my experiment on molds. So this is day 6. Yeah, so 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 1. So September 1, this is day 6. You see that because it was move and move and move, so it goes there. So this is 6 days of molds, as you can see. My phone is not really clear, but yeah, this is day 6, right?
Another set of traps.
During rainy seasons, Hong Kong have molds problems in every households.
People buy dehumidifier to stop the molds from growing everywhere.
It cost more or less 4,000 Hong Kong dollars. Oh my god, so expensive.
Disposable dehumidifier tubs is $33 that last for few weeks only.
Another sets of traps again and again. Experimenting this is very effective, yet cheaper than buying dehumidifier. This house have 2 dehumidifiers, but molds are everywhere because one dehumidifier broke.
By the way,
Species of organisms of the kingdom fungi, which includes the yeasts, rusts, smuts, mildews, molds, and mushrooms.
What is it?
This is big mushroom.
Yeah, but it's poison. It's poison. Poison. It's poison. Poison.
You don't eat this one.
But it's poison.
But we got sticks for real. We looking out for the opposition, we don't do this for mass appeal. Don't make me blast it still. I put in work, no Vladimir. They want me to lose, but I can't. Mama shed like 1,000 tears. I can't do that shit to waste. I pull up in Mercedes. Next year you gon' see me pull up in the race. All I do is ball hard. Mama told me, boy, make sure you tie up your legs. Hey, when I was down bad, boy, I got on my knees and I started to pray. Now I'm breaking bread with my young vet. Where's you was a part of the gang? No, now he getting paid every single day. Yeah, I was hustling. I could turn an 8 to a 28. Let me show you. 12, they can kiss my ass. Yeah, see them lights, but you know I got the strap. Go right up, now he getting paid every single day. Yeah, I was hustling, I could turn an 8 to a 28. Let me show you. 12, they can kiss my ass. Yeah, see them lights, but you know I got the strap. Go right, I push the I do the dash, on my way to the bag, boy, you know I push the gas.
Yeah, okay, my timing is critical. Then on my rhyming is pivotal. Homie, the dash is digital, gas residual. Fire and smoke like I'm leading a ritual. You bet my cash.